Hey guys, this is Zach from plugyourholes.com. On this week's product breakdown, we're going over our new Lapis Lazuli. Lapis Lazuli. These bad boys are gorgeous. The blue in them is this deep but almost electric with gold flake in it, and the sun hits it just the right way. You're gonna get a lot of that shimmer. The weight of these is great. It's one of the heavier stones that we carry on our site. And if you're trying to size up to that next size, they might give you just that little bit of help you need. Another great point that we love to recommend about our stone plugs is that they're perfect for sensitive skin. If metals affect your skin or you have issues with the oils and woods, stone is a great natural solution to go with. The shine and the sheen on these plugs is fantastic. When the sun hits it just the right way, you're gonna catch the most amazing flicker of the gold speck coming off the convex surface of these plugs. All right, moving on to the very few cons we have about these plugs. Being stone, but being a not very porous stone, if you don't keep them clean, they're gonna stink and you're gonna get that ear cheese. The color of them can vary being a stone. It's a natural cut item, so when you get them, they may vary from the pictures you see online or from the pair that your buddy also bought. Finally, the last thing on our cons list, which is also on the pros, is the weight. A lot of people just don't like to have that weight hanging down on their ears. Maybe they like to be at the size they're at. If you wear these, it could help you stretch to the next size. But if you like wood or silicone, that might be the better option. Well, that does it for the Lapis Lazuli. I'm Zach from plugyourholes.com, and that was this week's product breakdown. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Deuces.
I would never say that, but that works.
But I said it.
Deuces.
Deuces.
All right.